What's up guys? Welcome back to a new Raqmedia tutorial here with Azzedine. In today's video I will be testing the internet speed in Marseille, France with optic fiber connection.
www.raqmedia.com.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do consider sharing it, click on the like button and go ahead and leave us a comment below. We'd love to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and the notifications to get the latest tutorials that will inspire, empower and connect you.
www.raqmedia.com.
Bye for now, see you next video.